Hello, it's Bernadette with Crush Your Money Goals, and I'm here with my new friend,
Katherine Fan.
and she was the hostess with the mostest this past weekend at TravelCon here in Tucson. And can you tell folks about what you do in your day job?
Yes, I write about credit cards for Business Insider. I have been doing this for almost a decade now, and I talk a lot about earning points and miles for free award travel, flying to all of your dream destinations. Yeah.
So aside from the fact that she has fabulous hair, and you're not, she had a bomb suit on the first day that I was like, oh my gosh, we need to be friends. I looked up her bio even before we got here. I've been stalking you a little bit.
Thank you. Very flattering.
And she is, she's been doing this for a decade now. And so this is like wealth of experience. And one of the things that she just said to me was this idea of slow earning, and you don't have to feel the FOMO. So say more about that.
Yeah, so I feel like I have been working in this space now for a decade, but my personal journey with this all started a couple years before that, where I, like so many of us, had a day job where honestly my first year's salary was $28,000 a year. That also dates me a little bit, but it was just so hard to make enough money to even go anywhere. And maybe anyone else who also has parents who live overseas, I would either choose, do I spend my PTO and my money on going to see my parents, or do I go have fun with whatever time I have? So I started getting into points and miles kind of the slower way. I learned about shopping portals, and they have completely changed my life because they're these affiliate links that allow you to earn either cashback or points or miles in any different type of award currency you're earning. And from those, typically every year, even on that 28K salary, I was able to earn enough points and miles to buy myself a round trip ticket from the US to Taiwan to see my parents. So, when it's about 5 to 7% of your gross pay, that reward is life-changing. So if you're in a similar situation and you're always seeing credit cards sites talk about, wow, you should be chasing this sign-up bonus or you should be doing that, don't worry about any of it. Nobody else's life is yours. Think about what feels sustainable to you. So little changes here and there. If you were going to buy something off of, say, Best Buy or Anthropologie or Apple, look through a shopping portal first. One of my favorite tools is Cashback Monitor. It is a portal that shows you all of the different sites you can earn points and miles from, and also the rate they're earning that day. So you could choose, do you want 5 Chase points per dollar for a certain purchase, or do you want 8 to 10% cash back? Also, time your purchases at a time when it makes the most sense. You want to stack coupons, you want to stack earning rates, and you also want to look for offers on your credit card or your debit card, if that's what you're using, to make sure you're stacking as much savings as you can. You can still have all of the same things that everybody else our generation is looking forward to having. We just want to make sure we do it sustainably in a way that doesn't impact our long-term financial goals.
Oh my gosh, I'm laughing right now because AJ has been like going, this whole time. He's like taking mental notes. I can see it in his face as he's recording. All right, so my next question is then, since you've been doing this for many years, what is a mistake that you see people often make in trying to maximize these points, and how do we avoid that?
Ooh, that is a great question. I would say the first problem with points and miles, don't ever let either your credit card or your points and miles or any of the benefits you can get run away from you. It's so tempting to be like, oh, but if I just spend a little bit more and max out this category this month, I'm going to have a bajillion points. That doesn't help you at all if you end up incurring debt, or even if it stretches your financial goals and then you have to spend 3 to 5 months stressing out about not having enough in savings. So again, same thing I said earlier, pace yourself. Take a step back. If you're feeling pressure from the people that you follow or your community or your friends or whatever, take a step back. It will always be there. It's always changing anyway. The benefits ebb and flow, and there will always be something for you in it. So take your time. Again, like I said, you don't need that instant gratification. You don't have to buy that iPad right now. Look for your deals. Make sure you really need it. See if there are other ways to get it as well. And just remember that there is a world of complete abundance. There will be what you need when you need it.
I love this so much. We just met like literally 5 minutes ago, and I feel like
we're BFFs now. AJ too. We're gonna hang out. We're going to all the cool places.
We're all gonna go out to all the cool places. And this is a selfish question for me. Since you've been doing this for a while now, I have just gotten into like the writing side of things, and so I'm so curious. Like, how do you stay? Like, how do you keep enjoying what you're doing here if you've been doing it for a while now?
Yeah, I think it's probably the same thing. I would ask you the same question on the other side of content creation, but I think we'd probably say the same thing. Always come back to who you're doing it for. I'm often doing it either for people I already care about and can envision, or I'm doing it for my younger self who had no idea I would get to fly to cool places. I had no idea I would be facing really hard times ahead, but also really great times. So literally you have no idea when you're going to meet your new BFF, when you're going to get to travel somewhere you've literally never been before. To stay motivated, I would say sometimes I give myself a break. I feel like I keep saying that in this clip. So yeah, take a break, take a step back. Remember, it will always be there for you.
I love that. So if people want to learn more about you, where can they find you?
I post a lot of nonsense on my Instagram. It's Katherine Fan, and it is just a fun place for me to play right now. So you will get all the randomness that is my life right
Okay,
there.
so what are you currently fangirling on right now?
Currently fangirling. Yesterday's post, we're here in Tucson, Arizona. I went thrifting because this is the OG headquarters and founding place of Buffalo Exchange. So I went and checked out their
right.
$3 cashmere sweater. So I am always fangirling about thrifting. It's one of my favorite souvenirs when I travel, actually. 'Cause you get something that's local, quirky. I've gotten like a fur jacket in Argentina before when winter was ending there. Awesome.
All right, so we'll see you later because I'm going to go check this place out. And if you like this content, feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
You can find more at crushyourmoneygoals.com or head to Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, wherever books are sold, or better yet, check out your local bookstore.